calling Isla Cocina. This is Isa speaking. How may I assist you?
Hello, I would like to make a table reservation.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your name, please?
Of course, I'm Angeline Bermuda.
Thank you, ma'am, Angeline. Under whose name I should reserve the table?
Please reserve it under my name.
Got it. The reservation will be under your name, Angeline Bermuda. To make sure, ma'am, let me spell that out for you. A is for Alpha, N is for November, G for Gold, E for Echo, L for Lima, Y for Yankee, and N for November. And for Bermuda, B for Bravo, E for Echo, R for Romeo, M for Mike, U for Umbrella, T for Delta, and O for Oscar. Are all of this information correct, ma'am?
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, ma'am. May I know the date and time of your reservation?
It's for January 30 at 12 p.m.
Perfect. How many guests will be dining with us?
There will be 2 of us.
Okay, ma'am. Please wait for a minute. I will just check the availability of the table for the said date.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I am back. I have checked the availability of the table for the said date, and luckily, there is a available table for that date.
Oh, perfect.
With that, ma'am, may I also have your contact information, please?
Sure, it's 0961-490-6047.
Alright, ma'am. To check, let me repeat it for you. It's 0961-490-6047.
Yep, that's correct.
Great! Do you have any special requests or concerns we should note, such as seating preferences?
Yeah, actually, we'd like to sit in a corner, specifically beside the window.
Got it. Thank you for letting us know, ma'am. I've added that to your reservation. To confirm, your reservation is under Angeline Bermuda, table for 2 on January 30 at 12 p.m. We have your contact number as 0961-490-6047. And your special request is a table in the corner beside a window. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Wonderful! Your table is now reserved. If you need to make any changes or have further questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 0915-3510202. We look forward to serving you on January 30. Have a great day!
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Goodbye!